Today we are going to talk about top web 3.0 cryptos to invest in 2022 for massive gains in the future. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any important uploads from us. And also you're listening to Experience, and this channel is called Code. So let's head right into it. First, let's look at the market. Let's look at how the market is doing. So you can see, well, everywhere is red, as in the market is really bad. I think it trended on Twitter today, right? It's trended it, right? So don't mind me, please. Sorry. You can see everything is just looking a bit red over here. 29% decrease, 27% decrease, 18% decrease, 36% decrease, 20. Well, I am sure a lot of people are not happy, but some people will say this is the right time for you to buy in, so you'll be gain when the coin pumps. So you do whatever you feel. Oh, it brings us to this. This is not a financial advice. All we do here is not a financial advice, please. So the first coin we're going to talk about is the BitTorrent. That's the BTT. So you can see here on market cap, it has a price of 0.002, and down there you can see the market cap is just over 2 billion and the total supply of over 990 billion. So let's look at the chart. Let's go down and see how the chart is doing during this deadly period. Okay, move into the comment section and tell us how you feel about the current way crypto is going this year from the beginning of 2021. Tell us how you feel about crypto. So look here, look at the chart. Already negative movement. There's nothing really to talk about here. So let's head up to the website if you want to do your own research, if you want to further your research. So you can see there's a website, www.bittorrent.com/token/BTT. So you can go there and read about it. You can see BTC is a TRC utility token based on blockchain that powers futures of most popular decentralized protocol and applications in the world. Dapps powered by BTT include BitTorrent Speed, BitTorrent File System, DLive, and other pipelines. So BitTorrent is used to download, the site is used to download, and it has a large speed when downloading. It's actually nice. So if you want to actually do more research, you can head up to their Twitter at BitTorrent. So you can go and search for them on Twitter at BitTorrent. You can see they have over 606k followers. So it's actually a big company. So the next coin we're going to talk about is the Graph JRC. So you can see here on CoinMarketCap, it currently has a price of 0.04 and a market cap of over 1.9 billion US dollars. A total supply of just 10 billion US dollars. 10 billion. That's the total supply. So let's look at the chart. You can see right here the 1 month chart. Sorry, I think my network is kind of bad. It's taking a while to load this. Okay, so I think my network is bad. I'm so sorry. I can provide it for you. Please, you can go to CoinMarketCap on your own time and check the chart. So this is the website if you want to do further research. It is thegraph.com. So you can go to thegraph.com for your own basic research. And the main reason why I'm recommending this graph is it's a decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data from blockchains. Any developer can build and publish an open API. That's also known as a subgraph that makes data easily accessible. So it is used on Uniswap, it is used in synthetics, it is used also in Decentraland. So it's actually a great token. So you might want to invest in this for massive gains in the future, but all we do here is not a financial advice, so please take note. So you can see it on the website. You can go down, you can scroll through, you can go and read more about the website. It's actually a very nice website. I've gone through it. It's nice actually, the layout of the website, but we're not about the website. You want to know what they're all about. So for further research, you head up to their Twitter at the Graph Protocol for further research. Okay, so the last one we're going to talk about is the audios, also known as audio. So you can see right here on CoinMarketCap, the price is currently $0.8 and it has a market cap of just over 400 million US dollars and a total supply of just 1 billion. So this is a nice coin actually, and when we head to the website I'll explain more about it. So down here, let's look at the chart. Let's look how is the coin doing. So you can see same story, a negative movement, but you might want to invest in right now, so whenever it pumps you'll be in profit, but it's not a financial advice. Please, we do not do financial advice. So down here on the website for further research, you can go to www.audios.co. So that's the website. So the main reason I'm recommending this token is it's a decentralized music streaming protocol that aims to give everyone the freedom to distribute, monetize, and also stream any audio content. So their native token is the dollar audio, that's audio. So the token enables network security, exclusive feature access, and also community owned governance. So it's actually a nice token, and you can head up to their Twitter as Audios Project. So that's their Twitter handle at Audios Project. You can see over 126k followers. So do more research. Please make sure you research all the coins. Make sure you research any coin you want to invest your money in. You do not want to invest on a coin without doing your own basic research. It's important, please. And also remember, what we do here is not a financial advice. So that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. You don't want to miss out on important upload we keep bringing every day. So I am experienced, and this is really good. Hopefully we'll see you next time. Also, do tell me if you like the charts from CoinGecko or the charts from CoinMarketCap. So please go into the comment section and tell us which one you prefer. Thank you.